I'll go through the presentation, and after that, we can have a question and answer session. So the contents of the presentation are will have the company overview, some awards, financial highlights for December 2024, contribution to the national exchequer, and prospects for 2025. So about the company was incorporated in 1932. It was listed on the stock exchange in 1949. The company was allowed to undertake window takaful operations on 16th April 2015. Um, EFU General is the most experienced non-life insurance company. The paid-up capital is 2 billion, and EFU Life Assurance Limited is the subsidiary of EFU General. The vision of EFU is to continue our journey and try to be better than the best. The mission is, to go the extra mile in terms of providing services to our customer and upgrading and investing in our human resource and improving our reinsurance protections. Our core values, the cornerstone of our core values are integrity, ethics, excellence, professionalism, discipline, ownership, and service to the community. The reinsurance arrangements for EFU General are led by some of the largest and the strongest reinsurers in the world. This is led by Allianz, Hannover Re, Korean Reinsurance, PICC China, which is the largest reinsurance in China, Lloyd's of London, Swiss Reinsurance, SCOR, and MS First Capital Insurance. The premium underwritten for December 31st, 2024 was 41.27 billion, and EFU Group's total premium for the year ended December 31st, 2024 is 79.5 billion. The group's financial rating strength ratings are EFU is rated by 3 separate rating agencies. It is rated AA plus by PACRA, AA plus again by VIS, and B minus by AM Best. The subsidiary EFU Life is rated AA plus by VIS. The main products of EFU General are fire and property, marine aviation and transport, motor, miscellaneous, and window takaful operations. The governance structure, the board of directors comprises of 8 directors, 2 independent directors, including a female, 5 non-executive directors, and 1 executive director, which is the CEO. The board committees include the audit committee, the investment committee, the ethics, human resource, and remuneration committee. The management committees include the underwriting committee, claims settlement committee, reinsurance and co-insurance committee, risk management and compliance committee. So these are a total of 4 committees. Some awards that the company has won are mentioned below. The Brands Icon Award, 16th Corporate Social Responsibility Award, the 21st Environment Excellence Award, 18th Consumer Choice Award, Shakul Khanam CSR Award, the 14th Annual Fire Safety Award. Some key developments that took place in 2024, most of them related to technology. The company was successful in launching its mobile application for travel and motor as well, and the onlining of the WhatsApp chat box for our customers. At the same time, we are working on developing the applications to digitize and automate EFU's help desk and the audit functions. At the same time, we're working with financial institutions in bringing around transactional products for their customers, and especially focused on home insurance customers. Some under development and in progress programs that will be completed during this year include the automation and digitization of financial processes and dashboards, development of additional features to facilitate travel insurance customers, upgrade uh, of the back end of our main computer infrastructure, which is Oracle, to reduce the transaction time for customers. The geographical presence of the company is in 32 locations in Pakistan. So here's the financial performance at a glance. So the gross premium for 2024 was 41.2 billion. Total claims paid at 8.2 billion. Underwriting income at 2.42 billion. Investment and other income at 3.62 billion. Profit after tax at 3.71 billion. Earnings per share at 18.56 rupees. Total assets at 72.4 billion. Shareholders' equity at 24.17 billion. And investments and investment properties at 36.26 billion. Here is a summary of all the premiums for 2024 and 2023 of all the main departments: property, marine, aviation, motor, miscellaneous, and total conventional. You can see from here is 37.91, which is a slight reduction from last year by 1%. Takaful showed a growth from 3.07 to 3.36 billion, which is a 9% increase. And the total business for the company stood at 41.27, which is about 1% lower than the premium recorded in 2023. The net premiums for the various classes, in total, you can see, the business increased by 17%. From 12.39 billion to 14.55, and this is as a result of the expanding reinsurance structures that the company continues to put in place. Here is a trajectory of the written premium, including Takaful for the year ended 2024, and it is at 41. No, it's not 25. I can't see that. It's at 41.27 billion. That shows a compound annual growth rate of 13.34%. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. 41.27. So the net premium revenue, this is the trajectory. It was at 7.46 billion in 2019 to 14.55 billion, showing a compound annual growth rate of 14.3%. The underwriting results from 505 to 2.4 billion. And that shows a compound annual growth rate at 36.78%. The investment and other income for the year ended December 31st is at 4.639 billion, which shows a compound annual growth rate of 10.56, excluding the charge on the impairment. The profit after tax shows a growth of 7.3% over the period from 2019 to 2024, and it's recorded at 3.711 billion. Total assets have grown over time from 45.7 to 72.40, and that is at a compound annual growth rate of 9.64%. Total equity in 2019 was 19.3. In 2024, we closed at 24.17, showing a compound annual growth rate of 4.61%. The breakup per share at December 31st is 120.85, which shows a compound annual growth rate of 4.61%. The solvency. So the solvency today stands at 14.43 billion, and the required solvency is 4.12, which shows that we are 3.5 times the required solvency. The total contribution in terms of duties and taxes stands at 9.88 billion. So, as part of the outlook, the company will try to maintain its leadership position. We anticipate with the changes in the reinsurance structure that our net premium revenue will continue to grow, and our key priorities shall be on customer satisfaction, risk management, and shareholder value. For the prospects of 2025, we think with the government continuing to implement reforms on taxation, energy, and public sector management, we feel this will help us to maintain, sustain, and record an increase in our revenues. Thank you very much, and we're questions.
Any questions, please? If there are no questions, then shall we wind up? No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If there is no questions, then thank you for attending the session. We are winding up it. Thank you.
Thank you.